Hello, good morning mga idol. Nakikita yung nasa likod ko. Good morning. Galing ako maghatid sa work ng wife ko. Ngayon naman ay namiss ko yung mani. Nilagang mani, yung tigpa 5 pesos or 10 pesos na nilalako, di ba? Sa kalsada. Kaya ang ginawa ko ay wala naman ditong mani. So ang ginawa ko ay bumili ako ng naka-plastic. Bali ganito siya nabibili. Siguro mga 3 pounds to. Tapos ilalaga mo na lang. Yan. So ito siya ngayon. Ang mani. Yan. Hindi ko alam. Yun. Hindi ko alam kung ilang minuto or isang oras mahigit ba kailangan tong maluto. So, yun lang. For the thank you. Kainin natin yan mamaya. Makatipid tayo sa chips. Yeah, that's good. The peanut is good. Building. This is the chips in Philippines before. When I was young, my grandma, she has a plant like this. Instead of buying a chips, and then we do this one. We build peanuts.
Healthy.
Yeah, because we do not. Chips is very expensive before in our. Healthy root crops, better than the fried one, right?
Yeah. But if it was spicy,
There's no spicy involved. You have to remove it.
peanuts. If they were spicy peanuts, it would be
You like it?
yeah. Spicy peanuts, 10 out of 10.
You can buy on the street on the spicy peanut without the shell. Don't try that one. Peanuts, boiled peanuts. Yeah.